Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of the LeetCode, which is 2520. Count the digit that divide the number. So here is given a integer num. You have to return the number of digit within the number which is dividing the number. Means there is a number 7, and there is only one digit which is 7. So 7 is divisible by 7, so you just have to return the count which is 1. And again in 121, this is the number, and you have to check the digit which divide the 121. So 121 is divisible by 1, so the count is 1, and 2 is not dividing 121, so again the count is 1, and again 1 is dividing 121, so the count is 2. So you have to return the 2. You have In a same example 1248, you have to the all digit 1, 2, 4 and 8 will be dividing 1248, so you have to return the 4. Means all the 4 digit within the number is dividing the 1248. So let's do this. First I will create int count, which will store the count, and I will pass the digit num, and after this I just have to return counts. Let's make the function int digit int num int k equals to num. I will store the duplicate value, and then int count equals to 0 while k is greater than 0. Then I will do int remainder, which is k modulo 10, and I will check if remainder, which is res, is not equals to 0, and num modulo res is equals to 0, then I have to do the count plus plus, else I have to do k equals to 1 by 10. Let's and after this function you just have after this loop you just have to return the count variable. Let's run this code. Okay, this is num, not nums. This code works fine. Let's submit this code. This code has been accepted. Thanks for watching.